Dear friends, you are now seeing this majestic facade of this Basilica of Bom Jesus, a UNESCO heritage site. And which direction it is looking? The facade is looking towards the west. The facade is looking towards the west, and it's an elaborate piece of workmanship, and by its grandeur no less than by the exquisite combination of the Doric, Corinthian and composite styles in architecture. So it is built of which material? Black granite. So what is its height? 78.5 meters, 78.5 feet high and 75.6 feet broad. So the facade may be divided into 4 parts, the lowest containing 3 elegant portals where you are entering. The part immediately above having 3 large windows, you can see the windows there corresponding to the portals. The third, the 3 circular windows on the top, you can see 3 circular windows, while the fourth comes a quadrangle richly embellished with arabesques. So all these portions adorned with pillars, relievos and rich carvings give the facade a magnificent appearance, and you can also see the IHS symbol, the symbol of the Society of Jesus, the other Jesuits over there.